Let me guess, you know you should be doing more videos for your business, but you don't have the money, resources, or technical know-how to pull it off. So instead, all of those great video ideas and opportunities are being left on the table as you go about your day spinning your wheels in your business. Sumo Links, I'm about to show you a tool that is going to make creating videos so dead simple that you won't be able to afford not to make them. Stay tuned for today's product showcase. What's good, fam? I'm Christy with AppSumo, and today we are talking about Invideo, which is a tool that helps make your videos look like they came out of a professional studio. Invideo has one mission, and that is to ensure that everyone should be able to create great quality videos quickly and effectively. So let me show you how easy it is to create absolute stunning videos for your business with Invideo. Once you are logged into Invideo, the first thing you'll want to do is select a template. As you can see here, there are hundreds of video templates for you to choose from. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to choose this one. Next, I'll place the content of my video in the text field. The content for each scene will be placed on a new line to ensure that my video goes perfectly with my script. From here, Invideo auto-creates a storyboard for me, and now all I have to do is line up the images I'd like to use in each of the scenes. Invideo provides you with a library of millions of images and video clips that you can use in your video, or you can upload your own. Now, if I want to see what a particular scene looks like, I can just click on Quick Edit, and Invideo will show me what it looks like. From here, I can trim the clip, add overlays, stickers, and change the placement of my words on the screen. Once I'm happy with the storyboard elements, I can then go ahead and add music to my video from the, you guessed it, Invideo library available to me. I like this one, so I'll add it to my video. Next, all that's left to do is export my video and upload it to YouTube or whatever other video service you use. As you can see, that took no time at all. So if you are ready to start creating professional looking videos for your business, then you'll definitely want to check out Invideo. Let me guess, you know you should be doing more videos for your business, but the text field, the content, sorry, or whatever, y'all gonna make me lose my mind up in here, up in here. Oh, hello, people. And now I'm gonna hide.